gifts, including free shipping, when you enter offer code FREE36. That's FREE36 at Paddington.com.
On Mickey 6, if you take a train with stop, see if your car will track. You're right, it will. Tell us to hit you, which surprisingly is within the state. 30 people were killed at railroad crossings. So next time you have somewhere to be in a hurry and you see a train approaching, don't take your chances and try to beat it. Statistics show you might just lose. Stop, because trains can.
But no, a Napa guy knows that by the foot, there's no better ride than an old station wagon. Room for 6 people facing forward, 2 people facing backward, and a whole lot of luggage, lumber, and bicycles haphazardly strapped to the roof. If you can parallel park that beast, you can park anything. And with some quality parts and a little Napa know-how, you can keep your land ship running longer, stronger. It's not obsolete. It's a rare treasure. That's Napa know-how.
Sign up today at iPlay.com for your free 15-day trial with over a dozen gaming categories, including puzzles, hidden objects, adventure, board, card and casino, and iPlay releases a new game every day. Not connected? No problem. Play any of your games even when you're offline, whether it's classics or today's hits. iPlay.com has something for you. Sign up today and take advantage of the free 7-day trial at iPlay.com. iPlay.com is the place to play.
Come into Lowe's and celebrate spring's arrival with our annual Spring Black Friday event. You'll find great savings on everything you need for all your spring projects. Add cover and style with Valspar paint fiber starting at a new floor price of $19.98. Plus, go online with 25% off all Char-Broil commercial and signature series gas grills. All projects have a starting point. Start with Lowe's. Grill off about $329.45.
I found 3 seconds flooring Paris. I had burns on the neck and hands.
I had a roof collapse on me once.
Yeah, firemen know a thing or two about close games. So when it comes to a fast, reliable...
Okay, Google.